Investing in cryptocurrencies can seem daunting, especially for beginners. The volatility and complexity of the crypto market can create uncertainty, but with the right strategies, anyone can navigate it successfully. This video aims to provide beginners with essential cryptocurrency investment strategies that will help them make informed decisions, minimize risks, and maximize their potential returns. 1. Understanding the basics of cryptocurrency. Before diving into investment strategies, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers nodes. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin (BTC), the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum (ETH), a platform enabling smart contracts and decentralized applications (DApps). Ripple XRP, a digital payment protocol for fast and low-cost cross-border transactions. Litecoin (LTC), often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, it aims to provide fast transaction confirmations. 2. Research and education. Before investing any money, beginners must educate themselves about cryptocurrencies, how they work, and the market dynamics. Here are some ways to enhance your knowledge. Read books and articles. There are numerous books and articles on cryptocurrency investing that cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, and market psychology. Follow reputable sources. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Investopedia offer valuable insights and news related to cryptocurrencies. Join online communities. Participating in forums like Reddit or joining social media groups can provide insights from experienced investors. 3. Start small. For beginners, it's wise to start small. This approach allows you to learn the ropes without risking a significant amount of money. Here are some tips on starting small. Set a budget. Determine how much money you can afford to lose. Invest only what you can afford without affecting your daily living. Choose a fractional investment. Many exchanges allow you to buy fractions of cryptocurrencies. For instance, you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin, you can purchase a small fraction of it. 4. Diversification. Diversification is a key investment strategy to minimize risk. Instead of putting all your funds into one cryptocurrency, consider spreading your investments across multiple assets. Here's how to approach diversification. Allocate funds across different cryptocurrencies. Invest in a mix of established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and some emerging altcoins. This helps mitigate the risk if one of your investments underperforms. Consider different types of cryptocurrencies. Look beyond just coins. Consider stablecoins like USDT for stability and tokens involved in various sectors like DeFi, gaming, or NFTs. 5. Utilize dollar cost averaging (DCA). Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular cryptocurrency regardless of its price. This approach can help reduce the impact of volatility by averaging out your purchase price over time. Here's how to implement DCA. Choose a regular investment schedule. Decide whether you want to invest weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Stick to this schedule regardless of market conditions. Set up automatic purchases. Many exchanges allow you to automate your purchases, making it easier to stick to your DCA strategy. 6. Understand market trends and timing. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, with prices influenced by news events, technological advancements, and market sentiment. Understanding market trends can help you make informed decisions. Here are some tips. Follow market news. Stay updated with news regarding regulations, technological developments, or major partnerships that could impact the market. Use technical analysis. Learn basic technical analysis skills to identify trends and potential entry or exit points based on historical price movements. 7. Keep emotions in check. Emotional decision-making can lead to significant losses in cryptocurrency investing. It's essential to remain calm and avoid impulsive actions. Here are some ways to manage your emotions. Set clear goals. Define your investment goals, whether they are short-term gains or long-term holding. Having clear objectives can help you stay focused. Develop a trading plan. Create a plan that outlines your entry and exit strategies, as well as stop-loss levels to minimize potential losses. Stick to this plan to avoid emotional trading. 8. Secure your investments. Security is a significant concern in the cryptocurrency space. Hacking incidents and scams can lead to the loss of funds. Here are some security practices to follow. Use reputable exchanges. Choose exchanges with a solid reputation and robust security measures.